Hello student, welcome back to the new video of my channel. I'm Sneha and you are with the Sneha Dash. And today I'm talk about what is sorting and some basic types of sorting algorithm. We all know the sorting is the most important topic of our interview preparation. So without any further delay, let's start our video. What is sorting? Sorting is used to rearrange the elements of any list or array into a set of manner. It could be increasing order or it could be decreasing order or it could be any order what you want. For example, in my array ARR, there are 5 elements present like 50, 2, 10, 67 and 5. After sorting them or after sorting the array into increasing order, I get 2, 5, 10, 50 and 67. We can see the minimum element of ARR will be the first element of modified ARR and the maximum element of ARR will be the last element of modified ARR. Now we see what is the basic types of sorting algorithm. There are lots of sorting algorithm present, but we need not to learn all the types of sorting algorithm. We simply learn some basic types of sorting algorithm. The basic types are selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, counting sort, merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. We cover all the basic types of sorting algorithm in my channel. So stay tuned guys. Bye bye.